style. How long you had the avocado in the thing for? Huh?
Talking to me?
Yeah.
How long what?
You had that avocado that didn't go bad.
I don't know.
What, a month?
Uh,
Month and a half?
you got Allison. Said go slow.
How you doing? Yeah, you don't remember how long you had the avocado for?
Yeah, weeks.
Oh. Hey guys, whoever's here, how you guys doing? Be careful. Happy Wednesday to you. Be careful with these avocados and these Granny Smith apples, because we had an avocado in the truck for weeks and it didn't go bad. Did it ever get ripe?
I don't know. I didn't open it. It was still hard.
It was still hard. It was in the truck for weeks. Now, with the Granny Smith apples, you guys know that Granny Smith apples don't go bad? Yeah, do you know Granny Smith apples don't go bad? No. I'm in not in Jamaica right now. Oh, am I a Jamaican? Yeah, I'm a Jamaican. 100% Jamaican. Saying? Yeah, the Granny Smith apples, we had it in truck for about 2.5 months. And doggone, it was in the cupboard and we forgot it was there. When we found it, it never went bad. It's still intact. So be careful of those certain fruits that you guys buy. Some of them fruits are real. Yeah, 100% Jamaican. Did you see the name? You see the YouTube name? It says AG Born Jamaican. It's hot. What's the temperature where you guys at? What's the temperature where you at right now? What's the temperature where you guys at right now? Don't forget to hit the like button, please. I am heading to Atlanta, Georgia. And from there, I'll be heading to Orlando, Florida. Ooh. AC up a little bit. Oh boy. Right now I'm in Hall County. 8.5. like that Popeyes.
Huh?
I don't like that Popeyes. When was the last time they gave you some old shit like they had it since the morning? And I noticed, you notice I didn't eat nothing of it. None of it. I wound up throwing it away. When I say old, I don't like that Popeyes. I honestly don't like that Popeyes. Might be later on, but there's a Popeyes at exit 2. But that Popeyes,
I'm not going to eat late night.
I don't want to.
Well, no, what I'm saying is, you said next to two, so mute the thing.
Blessings, blessings. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you guys riding shotgun with me. Thank you for stopping by, Barry. I really appreciate it. I'm up here in North Georgia towards I-85. And I'm going to show you guys, give you guys a little piece of Atlanta traffic. And it's not pretty. I'll be picking up in Atlanta, and I'll be heading to Orlando. I'll be in Orlando about 2 o'clock in the morning. Then I'll leave from there to Jacksonville. And from Jacksonville back to Atlanta. You got a piece of Atlanta traffic at this time of day. And trust me, it's not going to be pretty. I want you to tell Auntie Liz hello for me, Barry. Right now I'm on I-985, and in about 2 minutes I'll be on 85 South.
Say, where in Orlando?
Let me tell you exactly the name. 1 second, I'll tell you right now. It's called West Taft Vineland Road. West Taft Vineland Road. We have a drop yard over there. So I'll be dropping the load at the drop yard and grabbing a load from there to Jacksonville. We do it Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. West Taft Vineland Road. If I'm correct, I think it is at the corner. There's a Sam's, either a Sam's or a Walmart. What is it? Sam's or Walmart up there? At the, when you make that left on to go to the yard. On the right, across the street, I think it's a Sam's, either a Sam's or a Walmart. I think it's a Sam's. It's a Sam's Club. We usually make the left right there. Sometimes we don't go to the yard. We usually go to the truck stop. There's a racetrack at the corner down there. We usually go there and switch out with the guy. Because the reason why we usually do that, because the yard is very bad. A lot of potholes and stuff, so we usually just go there, switch out. Right now we're on I-85 southbound in North Georgia. And we're in the town of Suwanee, or city of Suwanee. just came out of Buford, Georgia. Sorry about that. Oh, it is 70 miles per hour, but you can't go 70. Yeah, it is 70. And the further down I go, the more my speed's gonna cut, because it's gonna get rough. But I'm used to it. Yeah, further up it's open road. Further north it's open road. But the more you go towards Atlanta, it's gonna start, piling up little by little until we get closer to 285, which we are going on 285. And that traffic is going to be nasty. Like this person in front of me, they have the room to go a little faster. They're just doing 52. And things like that hold traffic up. But it is what it is. I can't ask them to drive faster or move. I just gotta go with the flow. Woo! That truck almost bit the dust. I guarantee he's on his phone. Alright, thank you. Stay where you at, JD. Stay in your lane, buddy. Stay in your lane. Hey, JD, I don't know if you have a CD, but stay in your lane there, buddy. That's why when you're out here, you have to have your eyes open. You have to drive for you and them. Get past him. I didn't like what he was doing. Probably wasn't paying attention. Probably was distracted. But whatever it wasn't his lane. Gonna get real serious down here, so I'm gonna end this live and I'm gonna pay more attention to what's going on drifting, and, you know, so I appreciate you guys coming. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.